So I don't know how clearly you guys can see. Okay, there's this hole where actually your controls button or whatever you say it is actually mounted, and this hole is very important. The position of this hole is very important. In some handlebars, the position of this hole is very wrong, and that's why you have to drill the hole in this handlebar. Because of which the handlebar's strength actually decreases. But with this handlebar, we don't have to do anything like that. It's compatible with Hero Xpulse. So it's right now 11:30 in the night, and I'm totally covered with sweat. But I'm so excited to get this mounted on my bike that I'm gonna mount it now. I've ordered food from Swiggy, and let's mount it. Okay, so this is our bike, and we have already removed this. If you guys can see, actually it's very night, so we cannot help to record, but anyways, we have removed that, and now we have removed this as well, and now we'll be removing that side and this as well, basically the mobile holder, and then we'll be fitting this handlebar, the new handlebar. And if you see, the hole is here, so let's try to fit it. If it doesn't work, then we'll have to see, but I'll be doing it now only. So right now we are not able to remove this part, and I really don't know how to remove it. I'm trying every single thing, but no solution. So we were able to remove this. All it needed was just a slight push, and now it has been removed, and this is out. Everything is done. Final part that is remaining is removing these 4 bolts and then putting this on. So all the nuts took some time to get loosened, but actually I had a fear that this nut will get slipped, because those were very tight actually, but they didn't got slipped. They actually made my Allen key round, so my Allen key got wasted. So this is a different Allen key that I'm trying again to open, and it has got, I used a plier and an Allen key, and that's why it has got loose, and we are able to remove it. This is the first long bolt. This is stuck right now. We'll have to give it a pressure, then it will get out. This is 4 centimeter handlebar risers that I installed on the first service itself. This is the size comparison of both the handlebars, and if you place it just above, so it's actually 1 inches taller, 1 inches longer from both the sides. So you don't need like 5-6 inches longer or taller. 1 inch makes a huge difference. So let's connect it, let's join it. This is how the bike is looking without the handlebar. Nice. I actually placed my bike stand over my previous handlebar because I want this bike to be straight, to keep the risers stably. Two of the nuts have been fixed. Here goes the third one, and here goes the fourth one. So finally all 4 are done. Now we just need to tighten this, but before tightening I'll have to check the position of the bike as well, position of the handlebar as well. This looks really wide. Excellent. Now the next issue that we knew was gonna come was with the wires. The wire length is actually less, so we'll have to open this console, not console, like open this what do you say, what is this headlight? Okay, this headlight whole system, and then remove these wires and get these from outside. And we knew that this is gonna happen, but we are okay with it. Just to place one handlebar, just to change one handlebar, we have to remove the whole system, everything. That's how it is. The only one wire that is remaining is this master cylinder wire, the front brake cylinder wire, and I'm not able to pass it from here, like this whole cylinder. So I have to get this nut out, but it is not very difficult. I'm trying it for so long, but let's try one more time. So finally this wire has become loose, but there are chances of oil leakage, so that's why I just removed the attachment again, and I'll be quickly doing this and passing the wire again. Okay, so no oil spillage, the wire is out, luckily, and it was such a great effort. So we are done with fixing the handlebar. I'm directly showing the end clip because it's still not over actually. If you see, there's this gap because I have not placed one nut here, and the biggest problem is with the disc brake line, and the disc brake line is actually too stretched, I would say, and the solution is only to remove the solution is only to remove the risers. If we remove the risers, all the issues will be solved, and we can then take the wires from inside as well. But the main purpose of buying this handlebar was to have risers as well with the handlebar. Anyways, we are done with this right now. All I need to do is keep this seat. Are we forgetting something here? This is done.